Welcome to Bike Zone. Today we're talking about the new 2026 Suzuki Burgman 180, a premium maxi-scooter designed for riders who want comfort, performance, and modern tech in one sleek package. What's new for 2026? The 2026 Burgman 180 gets a sharper, more aerodynamic design with improved body lines and a refined front fascia. Suzuki focuses on better wind protection, updated lighting, and a more premium overall feel, making it stand out in the urban and touring scooter segment. Engine and performance. Powering the Burgman 180 is a smooth and efficient 180 cubic centimeters engine tuned for strong mid-range performance. It delivers quick acceleration for city traffic while maintaining relaxed cruising on highways. Improved fuel efficiency and reduced vibrations make daily rides more enjoyable. Ride comfort and handling. Comfort has always been the Burgman's strength. The 2026 model features a wider, well-cushioned seat, relaxed riding posture, and enhanced suspension for smoother rides over rough roads. The longer wheelbase and balanced weight improve stability, especially at higher speeds. Technology and features. Suzuki adds modern tech to keep the Burgman competitive. Expect a digital instrument cluster with smart connectivity, keyless start, USB charging, and improved LED lighting. These features make the scooter practical for daily commuting and long-distance rides alike. Safety and braking. Safety is upgraded with disc brakes and an advanced braking system for better control. Wider tires and improved grip enhance confidence during cornering and sudden stops, especially in city conditions. Final thoughts. The new 2026 Suzuki Burgman 180 blends comfort, performance, and premium features into one stylish scooter. It's ideal for riders who want a stress-free daily commute with the ability to tour comfortably on weekends. For more updates like this, stay connected with Bike Zone.